Open it.
Oh, you got some Dr. Scholl's. There might be something inside that, though. And there you go.
Mommy's going to help you open the box, okay? Okay, here, you open the box.
You might need to help him, Mommy.
Okay, Mommy help. This. Whoa! What is it?
Oh, it's a car! So exciting!
Whoa, look at all these, and books and cards. Everything. Okay, let's read the card.
Look.
What's that? It's a book on. Who is it? Dora. Very good. How to Raise a King. And Noah's board book. Oh, and more. Leo, the lion. Want to read the card, baby? What number is that? 3. 3. Very good.
How old are you?
Almost.
You're 3. That's right. It's your birthday. It says, "Hey, birthday boy, you're growing up so fast. So get set for some fun. Hope your birthday's a blast." Woo! From Mema and Papa. Look. Can you look at the camera and say thank you?
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you.
Come visit.
Come
Blow
visit.
my kiss.
Come on, kiss.
Oh, let's see the car. Whoa, look at that. That's too awesome. You like the car?
He likes the book.
I like the books. All right. Say thank you, Mema, Papa. Love you.
Thank you, Papa. I love you.
Look at the camera.